Hello everyone, friends. In this video, we will examine all the technical details of Honor 90 Lite together. Enjoy watching. Honor 90 Lite. Review. The Honor 90 Lite, delivered in June 2023, offers a great exhibit of highlights and particulars at an appealing cost. With its smooth plan, liberal capacity limit, high goal show, strong camera, and proficient processor, this cell phone intends to enrapture mid-range cell phone fans. In this survey, we dive into the gadget's presentation, plan, camera capacities, programming, and battery duration to offer you a far-reaching outline of the Honor 90 Lite. Design and display. Estimating at simply 7.5mm thickness and weighing 179 joule, the Honor 90 Lite finds some kind of harmony among versatility and strength. Its thin profile and lightweight plan guarantee happy with taking care of. Including a liberal 6.7-inch show and a noteworthy goal of 1080x2388 pixels, the Honor 90 Lite conveys an outwardly enthralling involvement in dynamic tones and extremely sharp visuals. Whether you're a media fan or an energetic gamer, this show is impeccably fit to improve your review and gaming joy. Performance and software. Running on Android 13 with the Wizardry UI 7.1 skin, the Honor 90 Lite gives a smooth and instinctive client experience. With 8GB of Smash and a strong Dimensity 6220 processor, this cell phone easily handles performing various tasks and requesting applications. Whether you're perusing applications or taking part in weighty gaming meetings, the gadget conveys a slack-free exhibition.
Camera. The champion component of the Honor 90 Lite is its 100MP essential camera, promising dazzling picture quality and momentous detail. Whether you're catching grand scenes or close-up shots, this cell phone produces noteworthy outcomes. Furthermore, it upholds 1080p video recording, permitting you to shoot top-notch recordings effortlessly. The forward-looking camera guarantees clear and nitty-gritty selfies, making it an optimal ally for photography devotees. Capacity and battery duration. With 256GB of inside stockpiling, the Honor 90 Lite offers more than adequate space to store your applications, photographs, and recordings. In any case, it's essential to take note of that there is no outside card opening for expandable capacity. The gadget is fueled by a 4,500 mAh LiPo battery, giving the entire day use on a solitary charge. Whether you're participating in sight and sound exercises or utilizing power-concentrated applications, the battery duration won't frustrate. Conclusion. All in all, the Honor 90 Lite is a noteworthy mid-range cell phone that offers a convincing mix of execution, plan, camera capacities, and battery duration. With its smooth and lightweight plan, shocking showcase, strong camera framework, and effective equipment, this cell phone offers magnificent benefit at its cost. Whether you're a photography devotee or a power client, the Honor 90 Lite merits considering as your next cell phone buy.
Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the Honor 90 Lite. We've covered all the technical details, from its sleek design to its impressive camera capabilities and long-lasting battery life. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews and tech-related content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to bring you the latest updates and hands-on reviews of the hottest gadgets in the market. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.